Morning students, how are you all? Hope for fine. Okay, class 1, now we are going to start our Islamiyat lesson. Today we will read chapter number 5. Our topic is Allah has made everything. Now reading of first question. Who has made us? Allah has made us. Who has made us? Allah has made us. Second question. Who has made our father and mother? Allah has made our father and mother. Who has made our father and mother? Allah has made our father and mother. Who has made our brothers and sisters? Allah has made our brothers and sisters. Who has made our brothers and sisters? Yes, Allah has made our brothers and sisters. Who has made this world? Allah has made this world. Yes, the whole universe is made by Allah. Has Allah made everything? Yes, Allah has made everything. He has made the sky, the sun, the moon and stars. He has made the rivers, the land, the flowers and the fruits. He has made the animals, the birds, the insects and the fishes. He has made the day and the night. Yes, He is the creator of everything. He has made the sun, moon, tree, river, mountains, this rainbow. Each and everything is made by Allah. Has Allah made the food that we eat? Yes, Allah has made the food that we eat. He has made the fruits and vegetables. He has made the water and milk that we drink. Daily students, you like milk and water? Yes, these things are created by Allah. He is the creator. Does Allah need our help in making things? No, Allah does not need our help in making things. He can do everything alone. Students, can you help Allah? No, He don't need any type of help. He is one the only who can do everything for you. So He is our creator. We have to obey Allah and follow His commands. Okay students, I hope today you will do the reading of chapter number 5. Allah has made everything. Page number 14. Allah Hafiz.